Alright, here we go. This right here is my trusty old Logitech MX Master 2S. It might not look the best, but that's only because I've been using it for a solid 5 years. The thumb button on the side was stuck and wouldn't click like it should. And when I tried to open it up and try to fix it, the old silicone had gotten all hard and brittle, and it cracked into pieces. Still, I'm not ready to give up my MX Master 2S just yet. I think I will bring it into my office for work. But today, we're not here to talk about the 2S. Instead, it's time to meet its new buddy, the Logitech MX Master 3S. After 5 years with the old one, I figured it's time for an upgrade. Welcome back to Architect Space. In this video, I'm going to break down the Logitech MX Master 3S mouse, what I like and what I don't. This should help you decide if it's worth the switch, especially if you've been using the older Logitech MX Master. The Logitech MX Master 3S I've got in front of me is the sleek black version, but they also offer in graphite and pale gray, both of which look equally sharp. First things first, can we just take a moment to appreciate how stylish this mouse is? It's not your typical gaming mouse, nor it is one of those mice that make you look like you are dealing with a medical condition. You know the ones I'm talking about, right? It strikes a perfect balance between aesthetics and functionality. I really like the side of the mouse. It's designed like a spaceship with its smooth, curved edges and a one-piece build construction. It's like a control center with buttons in just the right spot. Speaking of buttons, there are the left-right mouse clicks. They offer Logitech's quiet click feature. They're surprisingly quiet and smooth to click. It's almost magical compared to the typical mouse clicks. It's not only quiet, but it also requires less finger movement and less force, all while being super accurate. The closest comparison I can come up with to describe it is that it's like the click on a PS5 controller's touchpad, or the mousepad on an Apple MacBook, but better, lighter, and more solid. The mouse wheel is a max speed scroll wheel, offering two scrolling options. One is a smooth scroll, and the other gives you a satisfying iris clicking effect, similar to adjusting the aperture ring on a camera lens. It feels excellent and tactile. On the other side, there are forward and backward buttons, and an extra pair of scrolling wheels, which I find especially handy because I often navigate through large-size PDF blueprints and drawings. Next to them, there's a LED light indicator to show your connectivity status and battery level. The mouse also features an on and off switch and a button to seamlessly switch between up to 3 devices. Overall, it feels incredibly comfortable to hold with a rubbery grip texture and a mechanical feel that's both tactile and precise, offering a DPI sensitivity up to 8000. We have covered the Logitech MX Master 3S mouse overview. Now, let's dive into what I love about this mouse. First and foremost, reason number 1, the quiet clicks feature. Trust me, this is not an exaggeration. The quiet click of this mouse is simply the most satisfying click you can find in the world of mice. It's not only quiet, but also incredibly easy to click, and I believe it has a shorter stroke travel distance. Using it won't tire you out as much as a traditional mouse that demands a harder press and longer travel distance for a click. And I can click it all day without a second thought. Is it life-changing? Absolutely. Let me give you an example. When I try playing Counter-Strike with this mouse, I instantly become a better player, thanks to its light and short travel click. I could fire rapidly with precision and accuracy. It's hard to describe the feeling, but I feel much more in tune with the game because I don't have to slam the clicks loudly with excessive movement. The second thing I really like about the Logitech MX Master 3S is its side-scrolling wheel. I'm an engineer, and I often need to view PDF drawings. I can't stress enough how much I appreciate this feature. I use it for move left and right within large PDF drawings. It also comes in handy when I'm editing my video timeline in Adobe Premiere. It saves me time because I don't have to click and drag. In fact, this is one of the main reasons I decided to invest in Logitech MX Master mice in the first place. Another reason I love this mouse is how it looks and how comfortable it feels. It strikes a perfect balance between style and functionality. The clicking mechanism is unique and satisfying, which makes working more comfortable. One thing I'd like to see in the future is a feature that, like the Apple MacBook touchpad's Force Touch, which allows you to press harder to unlock more possibilities. The only drawback I can pinpoint with this mouse is its price point, which hovers at around $100. However, it's essential to consider that for this investment, you're getting a mouse that's designed to last for a minimum of 5 years, and it's packed with fantastic features. Plus, it seamlessly combines the best of both productivity and gaming mice. To sum it up, the Logitech MX Master 3S is a cool mouse for work and games. Is it worth it? Absolutely yes. The quiet click feature alone makes this mouse a worthwhile investment. It's a significant upgrade with innovative technology, even though it's priced at $100. The saying goes that you should always invest in what you use the most, like an ergonomic chair. Your wrist health is just as important. And if you, like me, spend at least 6 hours a day using a mouse on your PC, investing in a good one like the MX Master 3S can potentially save your wrist in the long run. If you enjoyed this video, please don't hesitate to like and comment down what you like about this mouse. Subscribe if you want to see more tech related content, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.